Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to share my trade which I took 4 months back, and the name of the stock is IRFC. It is nothing but the Indian Railway Finance Corporation, which is related to railway. And let's study this chart first. If you see this pattern, there is a strong up move before this consolidation. See, there is a strong up move here, and it is accumulated with volume, and then it started to consolidate for a longer time, where for around 1 year it is consolidating in the range, and then after coming to the highs of that range, it's formed a tight pivots, and you can see there is a tight pivot here, 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 here. So you can see this pivot and see the volumes. The volumes are very low. Pivots, the proper pivot should be with very low volume. So I decided to keep a watch on the stock. Then suddenly it gave a blast out of the base and crossed its all-time high, and I missed it here. So I patiently waited for the next entry, and after this the stock started to move for around 5 to 6 days and gave around 45%, and then the stock started to consolidate. And see, there is no selling volumes. The volumes of the selling candles are very low. So I decided that let's wait for the entry here, and again it forming a tight consolidation. And see, he these are the pivots, smaller pivots which are inside bars. Then I decided to enter at this day and kept my stop around 1.8% to 2% and added a big size here, and then it doesn't move suddenly. I waited for some time, and then again it started to consolidate and give a small tight candle, and then on third day it was breaking the all-time high again. So I added more, and after that for the next 3 days it gave around 42% in the next 3 days. So I exited this trade with a good profit. This is the day where I exited around low of this candle. I exited here, and you can watch here. There is a common pattern that you can find. There is an up move and then consolidating and forming a bigger base, and then giving a first leg of move, then consolidating, then giving a second leg of move, and still you can watch there is a third leg of move, and see the same structure is repeating out of this 6 months or 7 months base, coming out, then consolidating again. The same structure, which the flag like structure which formed few months back, was here too. See, it gave a wonderful move. The same kind of structures will repeat. You have to just wait patiently for the right entry and execute that well. And if you're if you're reducing your risk at the entry point, you can size your position big, so that will lead to a bigger reward. So this is how I gained 40 around 38 to 40% in this trade in this year, and this is one of the best trades I took. And all time high tide flags and this kind of consolidation structures are visible everywhere in the growth stocks where there is huge momentum, and you can find all these kind of setups, and all these trade details which I took is shared on my Twitter handle, where you can see where I entered, how I sized it, how I exited, everything. You can see there.
Twitter account is in the description of this video, guys. If you're very serious about trading, you can join that. That's it, guys. Be positive, focus on your goals, believe in it, and keep learning. Thank you, guys. Meet you soon in another video. Thank you.